Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudia's, and today I will be showing you how I cook my famous Jamaican style oxtail. Stay tuned. So thank you for viewing and welcome back. If you have not done so yet, please press the like button, subscribe, and also share my videos. So let's get into business. So today I have gone ahead and grabbed some vegetables from my garden, and as you can see now, I have gone ahead and prepared all the seasoning that I will be using today, and I have also put all the ingredients, so you can just go ahead and look at the ingredients. I have also gone ahead and I have washed and cut off as much excess fat from the oxtail and also seasoned it. So the first step that I will be doing today is to deep fry my oxtail. What this does is it actually helps to keep the meat on the bone when it is being cooked. So the next step that I'll be doing is I will be adding water and I will be boiling the oxtail. I will not be using a pressure cooker today. So when the meat is finally cooked, you can go ahead and you can add your beans. So if you want your sauce to be a little bit more thicker, what you can do is you can just grab your spoon and just crush some of the beans, and this will actually give the sauce a thicker texture. So turn down heat and just cover your pot and let it simmer. Now it's time for the rice and peas. So I'm going to add all my seasoning and green pepper, and I'm going to add my coconut powder, a spoon of sugar, a spoon of butter, salt to taste, some seasoning, and voila, my rice is cooked. Back to my oxtail. Yeah, I didn't have any thyme, so yeah, if you have any thyme in your house, you can go ahead and add that to your pot also. So again, we have finally come to the end of the road. So this was just me showing you how I cook my oxtail, Jamaican style. So if you're interested in more details on this dish, just inbox me. Tell me what you need me to cook also for my next dish, and if you haven't done so before, go ahead and like, share, hit that subscription button. Thank you.